Ready to learn? Come sing with me. It's time for fun on Tutor Me. 1, 2, 1, 2, Tutor Me. Dancing through the day. Phonics and stories, the fun learning way. Grammar and vocab, bright like the sun. Comprehension power, let's get it done. With Jennifer here, we laugh and learn. For knowledge and kindness, it's always our turn. So many cool things we're gonna see right here on 1, 2, Tutor Me. Let's shine and grow, don't miss the show. 1, 2.
Are you ready to play the Vowel Team game? Meet the diphthongs. O-U, O-W, O-I, O-Y. Diphthongs are double vowel sounds that are together and team up to make one cool sound. Shout out each vowel team as the word appears on the screen. You're a winner! Say it with me. When vowels team up and twist and shout, that's a diphthong, no doubt.
Thanks for learning, thanks for fun. With Jen, our journey's just begun. Phonics, stories, grammar too. 1, 2, Tutor Me's here for you. Laughed, we learned, we had a blast. Building skills that will surely last. So keep on reading, writing more. Adventures waiting, let's explore. Click subscribe, don't miss a beat. With Jen, learning is a treat. See you next time, friends so true. 1, 2, Tutor Me says thank you.